Hi guys, today I'll be making a video on dry skin. I'm gonna do a scrub for dry skin. Dry skin is lack of lipids, lack of oils. Dry skin is more prone to go into the aging process. So a lot of people, they suffer for dry skin and they're very concerned about aging lines, fine lines, wrinkles that they just pop up, and they drive us nuts, they drive us crazy. Women, usually when they go into certain age and we pass certain age, we start losing collagen into our skin. So the problem with our collagen is that we start losing it, we have to start providing it more. So if we're losing the collagen, that is pliability on your skin, and it's the one that gives you the plumpness on your skin, we need to provide it. And it's not that we're gonna provide it through the scrub, because there are other things that we can also do, but the dry skin is more prone to the aging process. Now I'm just going to tell you a little bit more about the natural products that I'm going to be using for this dry skin. I'm going to be doing a scrub, and I'm going to tell you the ingredients that I'm going to be using. These ingredients, everybody should have it at home probably, and if you're not, they're very cheap things that you could get. If you would like also, you will have the opportunity, just go get them right now and just start working with me while I'm doing and I'm teaching you all the process. This is something so easy. You can do this 3 times a week if you want. They're natural products. They're not gonna hurt your skin. They're going to provide relucency on your skin, pliability, and it's going to also renew cells. Dry skin, the problem with dry skin is that it's lack of sebum, it's lack of oils. So we are regenerating dead cells over dead cells. These keratinocytes, which are dead cells, right? They start going one on top of the others. So sometimes when you wake up in the morning, those dead skins are there and your skin is very tight. You can barely move it. So with these treatments, and if we exfoliate with natural products, we will provide new skin, new cells, and a lot of pliability with it. I'm gonna tell you the ingredients. I have over here, I have a grapeseed oil. This is a grapeseed oil. It's very nice, it's very cheap. You can find it anywhere you want, in the grocery stores if you go. You just need just a little bit. Grapeseed is great because grapes are also an antioxidant. It helps you to exfoliate all the dead skin, also overnight. You can also apply it by itself. If you have extremely dry skin, just get a little cotton ball and just apply it all over your skin before you scrub it, and it will be nice. Or after you scrub, you can also do it as a moisturizer and just leave it overnight. It's one of the best ones also. It will not clog the pores, and it will also help you with the exfoliation overnight. We have the brown sugar, the granule brown sugars. These granule brown sugars are great, are good enough to exfoliate dead skin. So also we're going to be mixing all that, of course. We cannot forget about our beautiful honey. Honey hydrates the skin also. It regenerates new cells, and it's universal honey. It's great for everything, for your hair, for your hands, for your face, for your body, for babies, when the rashes, for the diapers, you could use it, and it's awesome. And this one is aloe vera, pure aloe vera. This ones I have it like that, but we can also have the little leaf of the aloe, just cut a little bit, cut all the green and stay with the crystals inside. Those slimy crystals are great because you could put them, you can blend them into, you could put them into a blender, and you could do awesome things with this, such as apply it as a moisturizer in your skin, put them in the refrigerator when the sun burns, when you go to the beach. So many things that you could do with it. Also, you can apply it on your hair. For dry skin, it's awesome because it's good. It provides you relucency. It provides you that elasticity on your skin, and it's great as a wound healing for burns and anything. And if you have scarring, or even though a pimple that is about to come out, just dab a little bit of the pure aloe in there, and it will seal all that. And for the next day, that pimple is nice and soft, and by the 3rd day, it will be totally gone. Now I'm just going to tell you and show you. I already poured all this in little containers. This one is my honey. This one is my grape seed. I have my aloe. I have my sugar, and I have my measuring cup right there. It's a 1/4 cup in there. Okay, my little cat, they're gorgeous. Wooden spoons, the best ones to mix the products. Try not to use steel products or any type of metals, because it will contaminate also the products and the steels. But when you use metal, basically it oxidizes the wood, the spoons. If they're not wooden, it oxidizes also the products, okay? These ones are extremely good because they're just made for skincare. These ones are great, or you could use the crystal ones. The metal spoons, we don't know exactly what kind of metal they use. These ones are great. These ones you can buy at places and the beauty stores for skincare, the professional ones. I have the container because I am planning to just pour everything inside of the container so I can put it in my refrigerator, and my little spoons. At this point, I'm going to start mixing everything, so come with me. After I have mixed all the ingredients, as you can see, you can see them in here. Nice. There we go. Now we're going to pour them in a glass container. Now, after we pour them in this glass container, we're gonna take them to the refrigerator and we're gonna leave it there for at least 10 to 20 minutes. And after it's nice and cold, so we're going to take it out and we're going to scrub our skin. After we have cleaned our skin, we're just gonna cover it, and we're gonna take it to the refrigerator after 20 minutes, and then we just bring it out, and then we can use it. If you have any questions, please go to the comment section. You can find the link to my social media in the description. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, click into the notification bell. Thank you guys for watching my channel, and I will see you soon on the next one.